Hello and welcome back. This is a short introduction to the new series that I'm starting here at Cheat Sheet Cardiology. This is going to be the audio lecture series. So one of the things people have emailed me and told me about is that they listen to these while they're commuting or stuff like that. You know, listen to it on the bus, listen to it on the subway. And I'm really glad that people are making constructive use of their time. One of the most wasted time periods in a student's life in terms of study is the commute time, because often enough you have 20 or 30 minutes or sometimes an hour where your brain is just actively engaged in driving, which is good. You should be actively engaged in driving if you are driving. However, one of the things people I feel like lose out on is you can't watch a video while you drive. So I'm going to take the PowerPoints that I use to teach cardiology, and I'm going to record them in an audio fashion that is specifically dictated at you understanding what's going on without the need for visual aids. So it's something where you can load up a YouTube playlist in your car, or you can download these from YouTube. I have no problem with that. Burn them to a CD, put them on your iPod, whatever media you choose to use. And you can just listen while you're driving and get an extra 20, 30, 45 minutes of study time in every day without having to give up sleep or family time. I know that school is pretty consuming, so we're going to tap into a resource with this that up until now you may not have been using. And that is a quick intro for what these are and how they work, so you guys aren't loading up videos that don't have any visual aids to them and wonder, what is this guy doing? All right, with that, let's get started, and we are going to go into Cardiology 1.